Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about a new update on Smart Gold Scalper. The Smart Gold Scalper is now available for MetaTrader 5 platform as well. Earlier, we were trading only on MetaTrader 4 to see that if the trades are going on exactly as on MT4 platform and if it is working perfectly or not. So we decided to trade like it was launched in January itself, and we were trading it on MT5. Okay, so we started this one. This was on real cent account, and we started it on December 10th, and we closed it on uh, January 17th. Okay, so in last like it's almost around 5 weeks since December 10 and January 16, we were just checking if the MT5 is working perfectly or not, and then only when we were sure that yes, it is working exactly as expected, then we launched the MT5 version for the public. Okay, so in this 5 weeks, uh, the monthly was around 46.31%, drawdown was around 14.72%. Okay, this is the growth graph, and this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, so absolute gain is 61.91%. These are all the statistics as if you want to see, and when we close the account, these were the open trades. So if you would like to check the history, that how the EA has been performing on this particular account, so you can go to the history. I have already provided you the Myfxbook link in the video description. You can just scroll it down and go to history, and you can check all the trades. Guys, please remember, this expert advisor used to take multiple trades, many trades, and it is a kind of high frequency trading. Okay, so in just 5 weeks, it has taken 50,127 trades. So so it is for the people like who like to take multiple numerous trades in a day. Okay, so this is on 2025 in December when we started on 10th. It has made around 37.82%, and in 2026, since we closed it on 16th itself, or 16th or 17th of January, we made around 17.48%, and the market is still moving up and down. Okay, so this is about the MT5 that we launched, and earlier we were trading it on MetaTrader 4 platform. We were trading it on real account, but yes, on real accounts sometimes we used to deposit and withdraw, and sometimes we used to transfer it to some other account to take some other decision or something. So it was like it is 4 months on this particular trial account, demo account. Earlier, from July 7th 2025 till November 7th 2025. So we closed this account on November 7th, and in 4 months we generated like from we started from 100k. 100k is the ideal, 100k or higher is the ideal that we recommend. However, the minimum that we would like to suggest is 50k. However, please don't go for the minimum. The higher is the better. 100k or above is always better, because since you can see the frequency of trades, so in any kind of situation, we just do not want to take more risk. However, risk is always there, but yes, if we know that it will contain more risk if we are trading with lower balance than, and still you are doing that, then it is something that you are doing on your own, right? And sometimes we know that the expert advisor is risky, uh, and comparatively at lower capital, the higher capital if we put, then might be the EA would be able to manage the things, and hence we started this with 100k, and this account that we started was with 750k, right? It was just to check if the MT5 is working well or not. As I said, that 50k is the minimum, since we started with $750, that is around 75,000 US cents. Okay, and by the time we closed this account, these were the running trades. And monthly wise, in July we started 7th of July, 7.70, in August 12.12, in September 29.48, in October 153.29%, in November 4.16%, since we closed this account on 7th of November, right? So from July till November, and this one from December till January, right? So it is something almost like we can say almost around 5 to 6 months or 5.5 months that is being traded. And before this account, before this account, this one, right, that we started on July, there was another account that we showed in our YouTube channel. However, at that moment, we did not realize to create it my to create it's my FX book. But still, if you would like to see those videos, you can just check it out in our playlist. And maybe from March or April we started with that account, or April, I think April or May, right? So maybe like 2 to 3 months of history, or maybe 2 to 3 months of trading was already there, and then we started on this account from 7th of July till November, and from December onwards till January 16 or 17, we traded on this particular account, right? So this is US, this is real account. And again, we did not continue it further, just because uh, the frequency of trades it used to take, it can imbalance your the server of the broker as well sometimes, right? So, and also in real account we used to do multiple things. We used to withdraw, deposit, and all over things, right? So we are not providing any investor ID and password, because Myfxbook is the most transparent thing, where you can find exactly the details, the drawdown, the Sharpe ratio, or maybe any other factor that you would like to see. What was the deposit, what was the monthly, and what is the daily, and what is the maximum drawdown, absolute gain, and everything, right? And even you can check each and every trade over here. Even if I run an account for around 6 months or maybe 7 months, and if I close that account, then after a few days, if someone asks me where are the trades, I would like to see the trades. I could not able to show them because we closed that account already. And maybe if we are not using that particular account, the broker would have archived, right? So you would not be able to see even the history in that. Or maybe if even if you run it for 1 year, and again after 2 to 3 months after closing this account, someone asked me, I would not be able to show them, because the account would have been archived if I'm not using that account, right? And there are many multiple factors. So hence Myfxbook is the best thing, even if it is demo or real. See, in these as I said, in these just 5 weeks, it has taken 50,127 trades. And in this one, we traded it for 4 months, and it has taken more than 100k trades, right? So check the frequency of trading. And hence we used to recommend 100k cents plus to trade with this expert advisor. However, 50k is the minimum, and just to be in the between, I started this account with 750k, right? 750k, okay. And now like, so some people used to ask me that there was a big movement on some particular day or some particular day. See, I cannot capture each and every moment. Even if I trade with this expert advisor for 1 year, and then I close this account and used to trade with some other thing, or maybe some other reason I used to withdraw or anything, right? Then probably I would not be able to tell you that, like, what would happen if such a situation happened two 2 or 3 months later on, right? Because gold is so much volatile that in last 1 year you can see each and every kind of movement. Even 200 200 points of movement, like I would say 15 like 1500 pips in a single day. 150, 200, 300, 500, 600, 700, anything can happen on each and every day with gold, right? So like, I cannot show you each and every moment, but yes, within these 4 months or maybe last 6 months, you can see each and every moment that we have captured with this expert advisor. However, like, I do not have any trading history from November 7 till December 9. But yes, we were working on the MetaTrader 4 MetaTrader 5 platform, and since so it was taking time. And also this account that we were trading like, were 4 months, right? So the broker, since like it was a high frequency trading and so much numerous number of trades, like over 100k trades, right? So it was impacting the process and also the server of the broker. And due to some reasons, it was not showing any trades later on, and hence we decided to close it early. right? So at least we have 4 months of result. We could have sustained it, or maybe could have continued it for longer, but then the deposit would have been showing around 300k, and the profit would have been showing 100k in 5 months. So that was not exactly the transparency that we wanted to show you. So that is the reason we anticipated it early and closed it early. Okay, so 4 months here and then 1 month here. And then some people were asking me that I mean, how about the gold movement when the market opened this week on Monday? The gold suddenly jumped up so huge. So like, what happened to the account? See, as I said again, I would not be able to capture each and every moment and would be able to share it with you, because there is no indefinite time or definite time that such thing can happen. And maybe at that moment I would have not been trading, I have not been using the expert advisor, I have not been trading for a while, or maybe my VPS is down, or anything, right? But still, just for those people, so this is an existing demo account with me, right? And I was like, we were doing some different kind of settings, or maybe some checking something on this particular account. But still, for those people like who are asking about the 19th thing, so this is what happened, right? So this is what happened. So this is showing all the history of that particular day. I would not be able to show you earlier, because the earlier we were trading or with some different kind of expert advisor, not exactly trading, we were checking some kind of settings, and hence those trades I would not like to mention, and hence I just populated the comment option here. So I understand that from this point we started trading with this expert advisor Smart Gold Scalper on this particular account. From 19th till today, that is 23rd, we are completing 1 week on this particular account, and we already achieved 22,380.38. However, this is a demo account, and also this is a standard account. So definitely there would be a difference in the profit. So maybe if you would have been trading it on cent account, then probably the profit would have been around 20k, or maybe 21k, or maybe 21.5k, or maybe 19.5k. That all depends on the broker conditions, right? And if you like to see the running trades, these are the running trades right now, right? The movement is a little slow right now, because maybe the US session is going to start in next half an hour or so, and maybe the movements would be starting again. And today is Friday, so obviously there would be great movements once the US market opens. So these are the running trades right now, and we are not going to continue this particular account, because this is not a fresh account. We were trading with some other things over there. Since I mentioned that the profit that we generated is around 22.3 22,380, and the account balance is 125,232, because with other expert advisor testing and all, the balance was around 102 point some 102 uh, uh, 102k something. And then we started with this particular account, and hence after that it has achieved around 22k plus, right? So the balance is 125. That is, you can say that like it is around 123k. If we 122k, you can say like if you would have started with 100k, right? And this is all about like any kind of expert advisor. If you're trading it on cent account or a standard account, even if with the same broker, the profitability and the risk conditions and the trading conditions would be different. And even if you are trading with a standard account of one broker and the other broker, then again the profitability, the risk conditions and the slippage would be different. So hence, please do not compare each account like the same, because every broker is different, their trading conditions are different, and type of account is different. So obviously, it is something that we can compare, that which one is better for us, by comparing it with different kind of brokers to run the trades for a couple of weeks on a demo account, and see which one has a better trading condition, and then we can go from there. So in case if you have any query about this expert advisor, that is Smart Gold Scalper expert advisor, this is available for MetaTrader 4 as well as MetaTrader 5 platform now. And you can check it with me if you have any query on email or Telegram. Both are mentioned in the video description, and also in the video description there is a link about a playlist of few expert advisors for the gold expert advisors, scalpers, or maybe a one shot gold, or maybe like one shot goals means those expert advisors which are using stop loss and take profit, and they do not trade very frequently. But the smart gold scalper used to trade numerous, and as you can see, in 4 months over 100k trades, and in just 5 weeks it has taken more than 50k trades, right? So this is all about an update about smart gold scalper. This is available for MetaTrader 5 now, and hence I have to create this video, and we will be continuing with this expert advisor to show you more videos. That is not very certain because we have already been trading, but yes, since we are working on few expert advisors, and once we are finalized on those expert advisors, we will be creating fresh videos on those EAs. So it will take another few weeks or maybe a few months. So might be we will come up with something exciting or maybe some update on this. But yes, this is what the update about Smart Gold Scalper so far. And for all of you, like if you have any query, email. Telegram is always better because I can communicate faster and can respond you faster. And but email is also okay if Telegram is something that you are not comfortable with, or if you are or if it is not available in your country. But on email, it will take more time to respond you, and then to clarify all the questions, right? Because you cannot write each and everything in a single mail, right? Because what you are asking me and what I'm responding to you, it will create more questions. So it will take many days to confirm and answer those questions, while on Telegram I can communicate and message you faster and can respond to you shortly. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much, and again, I wish you all a very happy new year. Maybe this new year will bring you much more success, prosperity, very much profits, and a great health. Thank you very much, and thanks for staying with me. Bye bye.